one, we're going to find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals square root of x plus 1 and the normal line at 3, 2 on the graph of y and the x-axis. So let's first graph this. So this is a square root function that shifted to the left by 1. So this is going to start at -1, and at 0 we're at 1. All right. And then we have the normal line at 3, 2. So basically it's going to go like this, something like that. And then we have this normal line that's going to be at, let's see, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. So I'll call this 2. Again, this is just a sketch. All right, so there's your 3. I'll put 3 right here. Now we got to find the normal line at this point here. So basically what you do is you take your y and you differentiate it. So y prime is going to be 1 divided by 2 square root of x plus 1. And then we're doing the tangent right now. So the slope of the tangent line at 3, 2 is going to be equal to 1 divided by 2 times the square root of 3 plus 1. That equals 1/4. So the slope of the normal line is going to equal -4, negative reciprocal. So the equation of the normal line is going to be y minus 2 equals -4 times x minus 3. That's going to give you y equals -4x plus 12 and plus 2, so that's plus 14. All right, when y is 0, we're going to get this equals, set it to 0 and solve for x. You're going to get 14 equals 4x. So x is going to equal 14 divided by 4, which is 7 divided by 2. So basically it's going to go through, that's 3 1/2. Right, so I'm going to go over a little bit. There's the intersection there, and this is your normal line. This is a perpendicular. Again, this is a sketch. And I'll put this at 3 1/2. So the basic, or we can put this also as 7/2. The area of the shaded region we want is all of this. Plus, we have to add this. And for this piece here, this is at 2 right here. We're just going to take the area of the triangle. But for the white shaded area, we're going to take it as the integral from -1 to 3 of square root of x plus 1 dx. And then we're just going to add the area of the triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base. Now this is 1/2 here. Or you could say 7/2 minus 3, which just equals 1/2. And you clearly see that's just 1/2. And then times your length or height, and that's times 2. All right, so all of this is going to equal 1/2 times 1/2 times 2. So this is just going to equal 1/2. So all we have to do now is integrate this piece. So let's do that. We're going to get this equals 2/3. Remember, we have x plus 1 to the power of 1/2. So you're going to write 2/3 x plus 1 to the power of 3/2. And we're evaluating it from -1 to 3. And then we're going to add that area of that triangle. All right, so this is going to be, when you evaluate it, we're going to get 2 divided by 3, and then have 3 plus 1 to the power of 3/2. And then for the -1, when you substitute in -1 in here, this is going to turn to 0. So you're just going to get -0. So this is going to be 2/3 times 4 to the power of 3/2. And this ends up being, plus we have this 1/2. So when you square root 4, you get 2, then you cube it. So this is going to be 16/3 plus 1/2. And that's going to equal 35 divided by 6. And that is your final answer. That is your area. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.